Hi, my name's Steve and I work for Nortech. Over the course of this kind of short video, I'm going to briefly touch on a bit more about who we are, what we do, what makes us a little bit special, and then also how we help clients solve the problems they face. So within the industry at the moment, there are a lot of challenges. These can range from everything from cost reduction to timescales and deadlines, perhaps unreliable suppliers or partners. You also have late life asset extension, where you might need to get another 10 years out of your asset, but also more project-based challenges to do with claims, disputes, and things that come up through everyday kind of business. So as for Nortech, who are we? What are we about? So Nortech are one of the UK's fastest growing engineering service providers. We are very much a family business, independently owned, with family values at the heart of everything we do. We are very financially secure, so the company has no debt, which means we're a very trustworthy long-term partner. But also over the course of doing what we do, we've been very lucky and recognised for winning lots of awards. These include being recognised as the UK's National Most Promising New Business 2013, and that was by the British Chamber of Commerce. So that was the who are we. As for what we do, Nortech offer a full suite, a full multidiscipline engineering design and project management service. That's full disciplines, everything the big boys do. We have a management consultancy service. This is where we can second expertise in-house. It might be that the clients have a requirement for a planner, a cost engineer, a project manager, a day a week, a month, but they don't necessarily have the confidence or the ability to recruit full-time, so we can second people in-house. And then we also have a class-leading search and selection division, which is where we use the technical expertise of the Nortech group to help clients recruit their top people. So a bit more about the business. So quality is absolute paramount for everything we do. We definitely have a quality of service, quality of delivery model, and that includes the full ISO kind of accreditation. And actually in 2015 we were recognised with our FPAL rating of 92%, which we were really proud of, because it really reflects the hard work of all the team. We very much have a zero accidents culture for everything we do, and that's extremely important to us. The business has two office locations. One is at Wynyard Park on Teesside, the second is Riverside Drive in Aberdeen. Although we are very much a UK headquartered company, we have international aspirations. We have global ambitions that we're starting to develop markets in Abu Dhabi, Brazil, the US, and actually with a number of partners around the world. As for kind of what's important to us, and actually as a business, community and family values are extremely important, and we have our CSR program called Nortech Cares, and this is where we work with local communities, charities and good causes, plus schools and universities on science, technology, engineering and maths. Giving back is really important to us, and it's something very passionate to the business. So as far as the video goes, that kind of covers who we are, what we do. As for the key bit, which is the kind of what makes us special, why are we different from everyone else? A few things. One is that we are very project delivery focused, so a very lean structure. What that means is lower overheads for the client, which means lower costs, leaner delivery, a much better kind of service. Because we operate multi-sector, and that covers everything from oil and gas, both onshore, offshore, chem, petrochem, utilities, energy, marine, rail, subsea. It means that we can actually get high utilisation out of our team, which means lower non-billable, again, lower cost to the suppliers. And most importantly, I think, it's more the fresh take, the innovation that really comes from that cross-sector expertise, so that we can learn the best practice from the subsea industry, from oil and gas, and apply it to chemicals, marine, rail, utilities. It's that kind of full suite of engineering service, the client delivery model for challenges they face both long-term, short-term, but also the kind of fresh thinking, the approach, which comes through being what Nortech do, which is multi-sector, multi-discipline, kind of real family value service. So my name's Steve. If you want to get in touch, please just give me a call. I don't bite. Add me on LinkedIn. I'm sure you can find me. And I'd love to kind of have a chat and see what we could do to help support the future of your business. Really appreciate your time, and everyone's really busy at the moment. But if you need anything, please get in touch.